What's wiggling, Wear Noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Wear Notice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, Samsung's LED back cover case for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G smartphone. So yeah, this case looks pretty cool because it got a bunch of LEDs in the back and it's made by Samsung themselves. So without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like wear notice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box right here. As you can see on the front, it says the name of the case, LED back cover, has the Samsung logo up here because Samsung makes the case, and it says Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G on the bottom. So yeah, over here on the back, it talks a little bit more about the case. It says you can use it for mood lighting, notification alerts, or 3, 2, 1 cheese. For example, that means like a camera timer on your phone. And yeah, let's now take this case out of the box. Let's see if we can get it out. And here we go, folks, just like that. Now we can pull out the case right here. It's got a quick start guide right there. And yeah, folks, we can pull this out, put this right here. And now let's put this case on my S20 Ultra 5G, baby. So we can just pop the S20 Ultra 5G right into it, just like this. And here we go, just like that. Get it on, and there it is, all nice in the case. So now, folks, with the LED cover on, we can see, welcome to your LED cover. Okay, so let's start and check out some info to get started. Let's agree to all this stuff. And okay, we can allow, and verify phone. Oh yeah. Now we're downloading content right here, whatever that means. Applying. And wait for it, wait for it. Ooh, look at those hearts. That is cool. And now, folks, look at this. Now the background of the phone has changed to have all these little LED creatures on it, okay? So, yeah, let's actually go into our apps and let's go to the LED cover app. And let's see, I don't know, we can do mood lighting. And now, folks, we can just turn this phone over and let's see. Look at that. It sort of looks like the sealing the roof in a Rolls Royce right here with all those different starry lights going on right there. That is pretty cool. Look at that. I haven't seen a case this cool, I think, like, ever. Wow. I mean, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is just beautiful. Just watching this case just do its thing. Anyway, folks, now let's pick up the phone and watch. Now the lights go off and we can unlock it right here. And let's see, let's look at the different LED icons we can pick on this phone. Okay, LED icons right there. And let's see, we can put a smile, a wink, a surprise, all these things. How about pet blob? That sounds funny. What's a pet blob? Okay, so I guess let's flip it over and let's see that pet blob. Oh, wow, there it is. Hi, little guy. Look at it go. It doesn't really look like a pet to me, but I guess I see the blob. I do see that. How about we put like a dog? That would be kind of funny. Okay, here we go. Doggy dog dog. And let's flip it over and let's see. Oh, look, it's a cute little doggy. Look at it go. Hi, ruff ruff, says the doggy. Okay, that's pretty funny. And yeah, guys, I mean, I think this is a pretty cool case. So I'm going to turn it back to that mood lighting because I think those stars are just super duper cool. And yeah, one other thing, you can also change the amount of time you want the cover lighting to be on. So you can do 10 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or just whenever you lift your phone. So I don't know, let's leave it in a minute. And yeah, let's put this down. And wait for it, and there it goes, folks. Beautiful. So yeah, guys, with that, that'll be all for this Wear Notice video about this beautiful Samsung LED back cover case for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of it. So yeah, if you guys thought this case was pretty cool and you want to get it for yourself, it'll set you back about $55, so it's not even that expensive when you think about it. And yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Once again, I think it's just an awesome idea right here. Super duper creative. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Wear Notice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Wear Notice out with the Samsung LED back cover case for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, baby. Ooh.